the first five digit number will be the corresponding base number, right? So 10,000 happens to be the first five digit number. Yes, we are now good to apply this rule. Nikilam Navatascharamam Dashataha. In English, we call it as all from 9, last from 10. We call the name of the sutra as all from 9, last from 10. What we have to do is, whenever we have to subtract 10,000 minus 8924, what we do is we do a borrowing subtraction, right? Instead of doing a borrowing, alternatively, what we can do is we just have to do subtract all the digits from 9 and only the last digit from 10. That's why we call it all from 9, last from 10. Can we look at this? What has happened for 10,000 minus 8924 is, here you will find 9 minus 8, 9 minus 9, 9 minus 2, and 10 minus 4. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 10 minus 4 is 6. All the digits are subtracted from 9 and only the last digit is subtracted from 10. So this rule holds good whenever you have to subtract any number from its corresponding base number. So now let's look at 100 minus 47. Now 47 is a 2-digit number. 100 is a first 3-digit number. Yes, we can apply this rule. So what do? All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 10 minus 7 is 3. 53 is the perfect answer. Okay, I will speed up because I got answers for the next questions also. Lovely. Now 3,700 minus 379. 1,000 minus 379. 379 is a 3-digit number. 1,000 is a 4-digit number. Yes, we are good to apply the rule. What we have to do? All from 9 and last from 10. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 10 minus 9 is 1. Perfect answers on the chat box. Perfect. Now, 1 lakh minus 58,673. 58,673 is a 5-digit number. 1 lakh is a first 6-digit number. Yes, we are good to apply this rule now. All that we have to do is all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 10 minus 3 is 7. 41,327 is perfectly right answer. Perfect answers on my chat box. 41,327. Now comes the question. The last one, 10,000 minus, I wish to work out this for you. 10,000 minus 2,348.35. Okay. 10,000 minus 2,348.35. Now guess, how many digit number is this? I'm just underlining this. Can you tell me how many digit number is this? Is this a 6-digit number? Do we call it as a 6-digit number? 2,348.35. Right. This is still a 4-digit number. You just have a few decimal places. It is still a 4-digit number. Perfect. And 10,000 is a 5-digit number. So we are good to go with this process of all from 9. Irrespective of this decimal place, we will do all from 9 and last from 10. Subtract each one of them from 9 and the last one after the decimal, the last one, whatever number you find, do it from 10. So the answer would be 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 10 minus 5 is 5. Perfectly the right answer. 7651.65. So ignoring the decimal, you will just place the decimal wherever it is. Irrespective of this decimal, you will continue doing the process of all from 9, last from 10. Here, the last will be only this place. 5 will be considered as the last. This will not be considered as the last one. We will do 9 only, or 9 minus 8 only will be done here. Right? Perfect. Perfect. Now you may have a question. What if I have a number like this? 10,000 minus 5340. Imagine I have a 4-digit number, 5340. This is a 4-digit number. This is a first 5-digit number. Yes, we can still apply this rule of all from 9, last from 10, right? We can do 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. This last, we don't have to do 10 minus 0. We just have to do it as 0 minus 0 is 0. Just repeat the 0. 10 minus 4 will be done here. So the last will be 4. Ignoring the 0, we will stop the last till the value. 0 doesn't have a value. We will repeat 0 itself. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 4, 6, 6, 0 will be the answer. Hope you got it. Why we do this is because anyway 0 minus 0 is a 0, right? This is the ones place, this is the ones place. 0 minus 0 is a 0. So we will stop the process of all from 9, last from 10 with 4. Clear? Now can we do another example like this? This is 10,000 minus 2,300. So what we would do, have an answer is, the answer will end with 2 zeros. Because there are 2 zeros, the answer will end with 2 zeros. And we will do all from 9, last from 10 here. Clear? Yes. I will repeat. Whenever you have zeros at last, you will just repeat the zeros because zeros minus zeros is only zeros, right? You will do the all from 9, last from 10 only for the remaining numbers. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 10 minus 3 is 7. 7,700. As simple as that, you will be able to get the answer very easily. So 10,000 minus 2,300 is 7,700. So henceforth, whenever you have to handle your cash, you don't have to use your calculators. You can make use of all from 9, last from 10. Hope you all love this concept, all from 9, last from 10. The Nikhilam Sutra, we call it Nikhilam Sutra. It is very special because it has its applicability in various places in Vedic mathematics. There is a beautiful life lesson to share about the Nikhilam Sutra, but I would share with you after explaining the challenge number 3. Let us move on to challenge number 3, which has a beautiful concept to know. It is also based on the Nikhilam Sutra. Now, so look at this question. 8 lakh minus 67,427. Now, 67,427 is a 5-digit number. 8 lakh is a 6-digit number, but it is not the first 6-digit number. 8 lakh is a 6-digit number, but it is not the first 6-digit number. It doesn't have 1. It starts with 8, right? So, we make use of another Vedic Sutra. We blend 2 Vedic Sutras together to easily get the answer for this. We first do Ekan Nunena Purvena, which is called as 1 less than the one before. The 1 less Sutra, looking at the first digit, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. So 7 is the first number with which the answer will start. Now look at the remaining numbers, 6, 7, 4, 2, 7. For these numbers alone, we have to do all from 9, last from 10. So your answer will start with 7, followed by 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 10 minus 7 is 3. So the complete answer would be 732,573. I repeat the process. Whenever the number doesn't start with 1, the base starts with some other number than 1. If it was 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, something, whatever it is, we will start with Ekan Nunena. We will start with 1 less. So start with 8 minus 1, 7, and then followed by all from 9, last from 10. Other things remain the same. This is a 5-digit number, this is a 6-digit number. So let us now give it a try for 30,000 minus. Let us give it a try for 30,000 minus 1,680. So for 30,000 is a 5-digit number, 1,680 is a 4-digit number. Yes, good to apply this rule, all from 9, last 10. We will start with Ekan Nunena, start with 3 minus 1, 2, followed by all from 9, last from 10, and then a 0, right? So it is 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 6 is 3, 10 minus 8 is 2, 0 minus 0 is 0. Perfectly the right answer. It is starting with 2, it is 28320 is perfectly the right answer. 28320. Many of you who have already done all these three lovely answers on the screen. Now let's give it a try for this. So this is 40 lakh minus 2 lakh 36,345. First step is Ekan Unena, because 40 lakh is a 7 digit number, 2 lakh 36,345 is a 6 digit number. Good to apply this rule. We will do all from 9, last from 10, and 1 less. Ekan Unena, 1 less than the one before. 4 minus 1, 3, and then 9 minus 2, 7, and then 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6 again, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So the answer is 3763655. Perfectly the right answers. You can check it with the answer which is displayed on the screen. Perfectly right answers. 3763655 is perfectly the right answer from each and every one of you. That is so exciting to see my chat box filled with messages, with the answers, filled with numbers. Lovely. So let's give it a try for this. 90,000 minus 8,765. 9 minus 1 is 8, followed by all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 10 minus 5 is 5. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 5 is perfectly the right answer. 8, 1, 2, 3, 5 is perfectly the right answer. 9 minus 1 is 8, followed by all that. Very nice. All right. Last but not the least, let's look into this. 5 lakh minus 4789. We'll start with Ekan Nunena. 1 less than 5 is 4, followed by all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 lakh 59 to 11. Perfectly the right answer. 459 to 11. Children, when I introduce these concepts in the classes, get so excited because they get the answers so easily. They are so excited. They don't have to do a borrowing. And whenever I conduct some classes, years ago, I enjoy taking classes with children. They enjoy doing classroom games and classroom puzzles. We used to have quiz, so every time I give an assignment to them also, they used to ask me to give the Nikilam Sutra. Nikilam Sutra is one of the very favorite concepts for many of them. Hope you also enjoyed this. There is a beautiful life lesson that Nikilam Sutra has to tell us. Um, Especially, I had a better understanding about it because I have faced a very tough time with borrowing subtractions in my childhood. Whenever I do a borrowing subtraction, I make a mistake because I used to strike. I never approached that problem in an organized manner. That made me feel tensed also. So, later stages in life, I understood that whenever we approach any problem in a very organized manner, understanding the nuances of handling it, at the same time, maintaining an emotional balance while approaching the problem, all these will contribute to be organized while we solve a problem. The first step is to stay emotionally balanced. And then the next is to start approaching the problem, knowing the nuances, understanding, being open minded to understand the nuances, new ways to solve the problem, and then make the right decision of solving it with clarity is a beautiful life lesson that Nikilam Navatas Charamam Dashata has given us. All from 9, last from 10 has a beautiful thing to tell us. Approach any problem in life in a very organized manner. Have that amount of um, stable emotional balance to approach problems in life to have better results. With this note, I will take you through the Vedic Math Challenge number 4. Are you all ready to take up the Vedic Math Challenge number 4? Thank you very much for your wonderful messages here. So, this Vedic Math Challenge number 4, we call it as digit sum. Digit sum. I'll tell you what digit sum is. You will see a large number on the screen, a very large number. What we have done on the screen is we have added all the digits of these numbers. Finally, we ended up at 43. Again, we added 4 and 3 to arrive at the answer 7. So, I'll tell you what we do is whenever we see a large number, we add all the digits up to the extent where we end up with a single digit answer. Remember, we have done it at some point of time in life. Can you guess? We have done this at some point of time in life. Right. When we have to find our lucky number in numerology. No, I used to do it whenever I get my exam hall tickets. I was a very tensed person to face exams. The exam fear, exam phobia, everything existed for me. Yeah, somebody on the chat box says exam roll number. Yes. Now I fall into your group where so we used to do that, right? So I never knew it had a name in mathematics. We call it as digit sum. And there is a way to make this digit sum very easily. Yeah, when we used to add the date of birth, no, so somebody who was born in 1990s, you have to add so many numbers and it's really hard. So we have an easy way in which you can add this very fast for car numbers and many others. Yeah. I'll first tell you the easy way in which you can add this. Right. We call this Vedic Sutra as Shunyam Samya Samuchaye. In English, it means wherever there is a 9, it is a 0. We just have to cast out the 9s. What we have to do is skip the 9. If you skip the 9s also, you will end up with the same answer. Let me show it to you on the screen. So the same number for which we got 43 as the answer, I've written the digits here. So what we do is every time there is a 9, we will strike out. So 9 we will strike out. 2 plus 7 is a 9, we will cast it out. And 6 plus 3 is a 9. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So all the 9s and combination of numbers that add up to 9 are cancelled. What remains is only 4 plus 3, which is 7, is the digit sum. So this digit sum is always a number which is between 1 to 9 because it is always a number between 1 to 9. Because any two digit number you will land up with, because if you have 10 also, 1 plus 0 you will end up with 1. So digit sum are numbers that appear between 1 to 9. That's what digit sum is. I will repeat. So you write the large number by splitting with a plus. You will cancel all the 9 and combination of 9. So 2 plus 7 is a 9, 5 plus 2 plus 2 is a 9, 6 plus 3 is a 9. So all the 9s are casted out. We are casting out all the 9s and what remains is only 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is a 7. 7 is the digit sum of the entire number without adding all the digits, which will take time, where we might tend to make a mistake also. We have now ended up doing 4 plus 3, which is 7. Right? So let's give it a try for more digit sum questions. Then I'll tell you why we do this also. Can we try digit sum for 5, 4, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 6 by using Shunyam Samya Samuchaye? Wherever there is a 9, it is a 0. It means we will ignore that. We will consider it as a 0. Wherever there is a 9, so it is 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6.
Huh.
So 5 plus 4 is a 9, 9 is a 9, 7 plus 2 is a 9, 6 plus 3 is a 9. So finally you have only 4, so 4 is the digit sum of this number. Perfectly the right answer on the chat box. 4 is the digit sum of this long number. Now, can we try for these numbers? Okay, I think you have started giving answers for, for this one also. 9 is a 9. 6 plus 3 is a 9. 2 plus 6 plus 1 is a 9. What remains is only 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Again, you'll add 1 plus 4, which will end up with 5. Right. Gayatri and a few who said 14, it's 1 plus 4 again, because digit sum is always a number which will be between 1 to 9. Perfect answers on the chat box. 5. That's lovely. I see people who have started answering the last one also. Last one. 9, 8, 7, 5, 6, 4, 0, 7, 4, 2, 1, 5 is a large number. We will do casting out 9. Cast out 9 means you will score out the 9. 7 plus 2 is a 9. 5 plus 4 is a 9. 8 plus 1 is also a 9. And then 5 plus 4 is 9. What remains is only 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. And 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is the digit sum for the last one. Yes, perfect. We got 13. We will do 1 plus 3 and make it 4, because digit sum is always a number between 1 to 9. Perfect. Now let's see this 9-point circle, which represents the digit sum. Now, digit sum, I said, it starts from 1 and ends with 9, right? It starts from 1, ends with 9. We have depicted this on a circle here, as you see on the screen. So, imagine you start here, you come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You again come back to 9. After 9, it is 10, right? 10 is 1 plus 0, which is 1. Then we will come to 11, which is 1 plus 1, which is a 2. Then it is 12, 1 plus 2, which is 3. And it goes on till infinity. So till infinity, whatever number you have, the digit sum of that number will be between 1 to 9 only. Logically, it means like you start from here. Imagine this is a circular park and you're doing your walking. Imagine you started here, you started to walk all through this park and you came back to this place. This will be your starting point and this will be your ending point also, right? This is where you started and this is where you come and end also, right? When you start walking on a circular path. So there is no 0 here. 9 itself acts as a 0. There is no 0 here. 9 itself acts as a 0. Now, can you relate this? I'm drawing a few lines. Can you relate what is this? We just did casting out 9s. We found out the combination of numbers that make 9, right? Exactly. 8 plus 1 is a 9. 7 plus 2 is a 9. 6 plus 3 is a 9. 5 plus 4 is a 9. 9 plus 0 is a 9. So this place is nothing but Shunyam Samya Samuchaye. Wherever it is a 9, it is a 0. That is the reason even after scoring out the 9, you get the same digit sum answer, because it means like you are traveling on this circle on a circular way. You're traveling on this circle. Whenever you come here, one round is over. Then you are starting afresh, right? So you can skip off this 9s and see whatever is remaining. You will get the answer of digit sum very easily. There is a beautiful life lesson, very beautiful life lesson. A lot of things in life we think we have accomplished, we have achieved. Yes, I'm done. I'm successful. Yes, but still there are things that we should keep working on. I'm not talking about learning new things, not about your professional front, but personally, always we need to keep searching for betterment in ourselves, improving our personality. Once we are done with improving ourselves in some aspect, let us think that we are at the 0th place of learning something new. learning some new skill for ourselves, for our self improvement. So, many people, many great achievers have followed this principle of once they complete achieving themselves something in life, they think that they are at the zeroth place. They start searching for something new for themselves to improve in. With this beautiful note, I think this is a worth life lesson that we need to share to children so that they will also understand learning and is a consistent process. It is not age related, it is experience related. Experiential learning is something which is important. Children have to be open enough at every point of time in life to learn something new. With this, are you all ready to move into Vedic Math Challenge number 5, which is very easy, very interesting, very quickly you can know this. And there is a lovely light life lesson out of this concept also. So, this is about squaring any number that ends with 5. Whenever you see a number that ends with 5, squaring the number becomes easy because the square of 5 is 25. So it ends with 5, the square will end with 25. Now look at the first part of the question. Taking this example 85, first part of the question is 8. What is the next number to 8? 9, right? So 8 times 9, 8 into 9 is 72, which is the first part of the answer, and you will attach 25 to it. 7225 is the complete answer. Exactly. Hope you got it right. Many of you who started answering. So looking at 35, 35 square. Square is nothing but multiplying the number to itself. 35 square is nothing but 35 into 35. So what we will do, looking at 3, what is the next number? 4. 3 fours are 12. Attach 25 to it. So 1225 is the answer. This is based on a Vedic sutra called one more than the one before. So this is the one before 8. So we did one more. So 8 nines are 72. Here, this is the one before 3. So one more than that is 4. 3 fours are 12. Let us look into 65. One more than the one before. One more than 6 is 7. 6 sevens are 42. 4225 is answer. Wonderful. Wonderful answers on the chat box. Amazing participation from you. Now, here, the last number is 5. The first part we will look at as 11. So, what is 11? 12 are 11 times 12 is 132. 11 times 12 is 132. So, the square of 115 is 13225. Just attach 25 to it. Perfectly the right answer from each and every one of you here. So 11 times 12 is 132. So the complete answer is 13225. Lovely. There is a beautiful life lesson from this Vedic Sutra. One more than the one before. In Sanskrit, we call it ekadikena purvena. One more than the one before. This is all about comparing oneself. So it is the best way for personal growth and professional growth for anyone to compare ourselves to ourselves. How I was yesterday, how I am today, and how I am going to be tomorrow. How I can be my own benchmark. That's the important life skill we need to teach children from right from childhood, because that is going to make them lead a contented life and march towards their goals with clarity without confusing themselves with the external influences. The external environment always pokes anyone to compare themselves with others, be it children or be it elders. Once you start comparing yourself with your past, with your present, you look forward for a better future, and that's how we can build a better future for ourselves. This is one important life lesson that we teach children, along with this Vedic Sutra, one more than the one before, Ekadikena Purvena. So, hope you all loved all the 5 Vedic math challenges we learned. Don't worry, I'll be sharing with you a worksheet at the end of the session, which you can have it for your practice. Now, all these benefits which you see on the screen, have you experienced it by yourself now? I would love to know from the chat box how it felt for you. Didn't you feel that almost 1 hour is done? Thank you so much. Many of you who says yes, I loved it. I'm sure you would have found um, the moment that you have fallen in love with math. Yes, it was a short span of time. So I was able to do only 5 concepts on the session. But there are a lot of things that you can learn. With this as the basics, you can learn a lot of interesting things. With this, I'll show you how I'm helping a lot of people to take up Vedic math tutoring as a profession, and also a lot of parents and a lot of grandparents who learn fun with Vedic math, my course, to teach their own children also. Thank you very much. In the next 15 minutes time, I will explain you about my course content, what all will be there in this course, and I'll also be answering your questions, your specific questions from the chat box. Thank you very much. So this course, Fun with Vedic Max, is designed exclusively for school children of grade 4 to grade 8. So once you start learning these concepts, after completion, you can start teaching them these contents on this course. The content is split into sub-modules, 43 concepts which are classified under 10 head modules. Let me show you the 10 head modules here. So from these head modules, a few concepts is what I showed you on the screen, but there are many others which you will learn from this course. It consists of addition, subtraction, digit sum, doubling and halving, alternate glass from 10 in the first 5 modules, as you see on the screen. And the next 5, that is sub module number 6 to 10, contains bar numbers, number splitting, base multiplication, squaring, and special multiplication. So from these concepts, a few is what I could do on the session, but in the main course you will find all these in detail. Apart from this 10 module content, you will have one 11th module which has a dedicated module for the Vedic Sutras, their Sanskrit name, the way it has to be spelled, and their English translation, and parallelly, what are the life values that you can teach to children are exclusively given in this dedicated module. So, in this entire course, in this entire 10 module content, 8 Vedic sutras and 6 sub sutras are covered. You may ask me, in Vedic math, there are 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras in total, out of which we are giving 8 Vedic sutras and 6 sub-sutras for the children because that is what is required for them. And it is completely designed from students' academic adaptability also. So it is completely adaptable for their academic because it is focusing on arithmetic calculations only. So addition, subtraction, multiplications, and divisions, which can be done with respect to their arithmetic calculations, which they do in their rough column, is what is covered in this course. This will help them do with complete clarity and accuracy. There is a 12th module, which is a dedicated module on starting how to start as an online tutor, because many of you might not have been a tutor or a teacher before, but you wanted some support on understanding how to start yourself as an online tutor, especially. So how to do zero cost marketing, how to take it up to the next level of reaching out to many children is all covered in this module number 12. So this complete course is in the form of pre-recorded videos which is uploaded on our learning management system on our learning platform. So we will give you access to that. You will have a dedicated access login to this where you will be learning from our videos. So there are 43 videos and there are 43 concept sheets, PDF files parallelly given to these. And apart from that, there are 2 practice sheets for every concept. So you have 86 practice sheets, 43 concept sheets. Apart from that, you have 10 self-assessment papers also. So once you're done with learning all the 43 concepts, you can assess yourself on the combination of all these topics. And finally, totally you have 100 plus downloadable PDF files which will be with you for your lifetime. And all these materials comes to you with a usage rights to your students. When you have to take classes to your children online, or offline also, you can share the same worksheets, the same concept sheets which are given to you. You don't have to prepare anything, any material for you to present during the classes. You can just share the concept sheet on the screen and explain it to the children. And you can just share the questions of the practice sheets to them. You can share the file to them and make them do their assignments also. So this complete course of pre-recorded videos has the convenience of accessing it any time. So today you joined it at a specific time, but every day you can learn at your convenient timing. And for any doubts, you can reach out to me. Apart from this, so you have your convenient learning plan. You may wonder what is the duration of the course. So the duration of the course is your decision. You can either complete the course within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, because you will have 1 year of access to this video. So the complete course comes to you with 1 year of access. So generally we have given a 40-day learning challenge, so for you to have a consistent learning plan and complete your learning within 40 days. Many of them are able to complete it even before the 40 days using this 40-day tracker. So once you complete your 40 days once, you can view the videos several times and recap on all the topics. So don't think you will be learning only from the videos. You will also have live sessions like this. Like this, how I sit and talk to you now. I will be doing live Q&A sessions at the month end. Every month, I will be doing the last weekend of that month. We will have a live Q&A session where I'll join you on a webinar and answer every doubt that you have. But you don't have to wait till the month end also. Every day when you learn, you get a doubt, you send an email to me. I will be answering to your doubts every day. So this doubt support is there for your lifetime. So even after 1 year, even after completion of, imagine you completed your course within 3 months, you got your certificate, still for 1 full year you will be having your access to the course platform. So after that 1 year, when you take classes for the children, suddenly you get a doubt in any topic, you will have your downloaded PDF files, concept sheets and practice sheets with you. But still, if you have a question, you can send me an email. I will be answering your doubts, because this doubt support, you have a lifetime support for any course related doubt. At the end of this course, you will have a mock test and a final test. On taking up the final test, you will have a certification from our company as a Fun with Vedic Math tutor. So, as I already told you, we are a training and development company, Skills on Biz. You can Google to know more about us. And you are, once you enroll and join into the course, you will have the privilege of being part of our exclusive Facebook network, and you will have a lot of inspirations here. Apart from this 12 module content, lifetime support on this doubts, and 1 year of course access, everything, lifetime of concept sheets and practice sheets with you. You will also have access to 3 bonus that we give you. Bonus number 1 is a ready reckoner PDF file which contains these academic math concepts. The basics of these academic math concepts might be a need for your children. So when you teach arithmetics to them, parallelly you can teach these arithmetic concepts also. They are very much self-explanatory. We have given this as a PDF file along with solutions to the problems given in this worksheet. You can do this as a summer camp bridge course also. Now bonus number 2 is the most important bonus. It contains the complete blueprint of the course. Whether you can carry this course as a 1 year program to your students, or you carry it as a short course, short crash course to them, everything is given this. So in case you're doing a 1 hour session, so for every 1 hour of session, to make your session very effective, how you have to package it. First 10 minutes what you should do, next 10 minutes what you should do, what all you should do to make your classes very impacting is given in this bonus number 2. It also contains some interesting general aptitude questions and puzzles and classroom games to make your classes very interesting and make you an impacting teacher and a mentor. Bonus number 3 is that part about mentoring, where you can be a communication excellence and personality development trainer also for your students, parallelly by being a Vedic math tutor. So, this is a 1 hour presentation given by me, which will help the children to develop their personality. It will also include ways to improve their communication skills. It contains some interesting vocab game also. So with this, I would love to share with you what our course joinees, other course takers would love to, what do they feel about this course, and they would love to share it with you. After this, I will also show you our learning platform. I will also show you how easy it is to learn from this course. So I'll be showing you the complete course to you on the screen shortly.
Hi, I'm Ridla, mother to two kids, previously working as a business development manager. Due to the pandemic, I had to make some tough career decisions and I took up this Vedic Maths course by Vidya. Trust me, it was very helpful. Just because I could complete the course, I started my new career as a teacher.
Hello everyone. I had enrolled Vidya Ma'am's course 2 months back. The course is very simple to understand. Lots and lots of worksheets have been given in the course, which makes all the concepts very clear. What I could understand is we can easily go through the course throughout our life whenever we require it, and now also at our pace we can do it. I would highly recommend the course because the team is very supportive, superb handholding, and value for money. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Ram Kumar. I am a freelancer and I am from Vizag. So recently I have completed this course, that is Fun with Vedic Maths course taught by Vidya ma'am. This course provided me a new opportunity, that's to be a tutor in Vedic Maths, and the entire course is well structured. Even a beginner can easily understand the course. So I would like to thank Vidya ma'am and the team for providing me such a wonderful course. And I strongly recommend this course who are interested to learn Vedic Maths and have fun with it. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Happy learning. Jai Hind.
Hi, my name is Anne. I got enrolled into the course by attending the webinar. The course is very simple and it's very handy and you can access it throughout your life. And each modules have got sub-modules wherein you have detailed explanation on how she's explained each and every topic very well. The course is very simple and effective, and eventually you will start falling in love with maths, just as how I thought.
This is Divya Venkat. I'm a HR by profession and a freelance artist by passion. Children's approach towards mathematics itself is different in Vedic maths, and they say that Vedic maths is also seen as a larger picture where real world problems are also being seen as mathematical problems, and I really like that approach. And I've just started off with their course. I'm so excited.
So hope I had a clarity on what they felt about the course. So this course, which is actually valued at 15,000 plus 6,000, including the bonus, so it is totally 21,000. But it comes to you at a super special webinar offer exclusively for people who have joined us on this webinar and understood and felt the benefits of Vedic math, understood the completely about all about Vedic math. So for you, we have a webinar offer. So within next 20 minutes, you have this offer to take up the complete course for 3599 with lifetime support on doubts. So all the course contents, 100 plus worksheets will be with you for your lifetime. It comes to you with the usage rights for your students. So all that you have to do is to click on offer, which appears to you on the screen above your chat box, register for the course and access this course at your convenience. So while registration, you will be asked your email ID, your full name, and your phone number. Your email ID is very important to us because your email ID will be your login ID for the course. Now I will show you how this course will look like, how will you will use your email ID to log into this course. So are you all ready to take a look at this course now? And yes, your webinar offer is active for the next 20 minutes where you can take up this course at 3599. So this is our learning platform, Teachable. That is, so our learning website is vedicmaxvidya.teachable.com, and you will log into the course by just clicking on login from this page, where you will type your registered email ID with which you will log into this course. So once you have registered, within 24 hours, our team will create a login for you with the registered email ID which you have given us now, and you will be receiving the login credentials email, in which you will have option to create your password. So whatever you've created as your password, you have to type it here, and this will take you directly into this course. So this is how the first page will look like. So this is the course. You have to click on this course, Career with Vedic Max. As you click on to this course, it will take you to the actual course page. So you will find all the submodules, module wise, module 1, module 2, module 3, and so on. So let me take you into one of these submodules. So you will find the duration of each videos which are uploaded into this course. So you will view the videos first, and below the video you will have the concept sheet, and you will also have the practice sheet.